na maraming magagaling
Yes.
na nagsisiksikan for a twice-to-beat advantage. Diba? Nag-compete for a twice-to-beat advantage going to the quarterfinals. Moralejo nailing it from the outside.
Oo, pabaser na yun. Actually, yung tira ni Moralejo na yun, ititira na lang talaga, wala na. Good challenge pa yun by Sean O'Malley, kaya lang hindi talaga inabot na.
Moralejo also had 16 points against EAC and he gets the steal. Moralejo, kumpiyansa, kaboom! Back-to-back hits from the outside for Joshua Moralejo, and that triggers a Benil timeout. How about this kid, Big Bo? Bailing his team out in this possession with a 3 and then got the steal. Took it upon himself to score another basket from long distance. Moralejo now with 8.